Ultimately, what we wanted to do is we wanted to increase the satisfaction of our customers within the experience that they have with our company. That's something that's super important to us. And so one of the things that we looked at when I was speaking with Eric is we talked about the way that we could send gifts to our clients when the job is done. And our philosophy is when the job's done and that final check is collected, that is actually the first step to the customer journey. There's an opportunity for repeat business, an opportunity for referrals. So I understood that and I knew that, but our business wasn't reflecting that. At the time, our NPS score was a 3.4. So if you understand what NPS is basically the score that tells you the referability of your company. So we had a 3.4. Once we started using this system and sending out gifts, our score jumped up to 7.2, which basically transfers into more repeat business and more customer referrals. The customers were so happy with the gifts. We were getting text messages and thank you cards and actually like selfies with the product. People would take a picture with the product and then text it over to us and say thank you. So, it was an awesome product. It was a great thing for our company. And I hope you guys get something out of this and actually take advantage of the same opportunity.